could stay like this, forever following you.
Hey all, welcome back to Zach's World. In this video, we are going to do mixed media art on a canvas, which in turn can be used as an abstract photo frame. So before we get started, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art, craft and henna videos. So let's get started. Firstly, we need a canvas of 10 by 15 centimeters size. I have used blue theme here with a mix of turquoise blue, Prussian blue and black. I have started blending these acrylic colors for the background. When you do this type of circular blending for acrylic colors, start from the middle outwards and make sure to use a dry brush. Now, to give a splash of white onto the background, I am using a wet toothbrush. Just spray the paint onto the canvas to give a galaxy effect.
Let's stay here in love.
Here, I am deciding on a certain chipboard which is gonna be used as the border for the photo. You can use any shape or design of your choice. I decided on a circular one. Now to place the photo, I am using a bottle cap glued onto the canvas to lift up the photo from the canvas. After that, by using random papers cut into different shapes and canvas wedges, I am making an arrangement. The clue to this kind of artwork is to use the scraps you have in an artistic way. Use different patterned papers, chipboards, flowers and create an arrangement of your wish and glue them onto the canvas. Remember, art has no limits. Just go with the flow and create your own masterpiece. Now that I have decided on the arrangement, I am gluing them back onto the canvas using a glue gun.
Like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
guys, as you can see, the use of different materials has given it a level difference, making it look even better. Now I am using acrylic cones to draw designs onto the canvas. These acrylic paint cones give a standing out 3D effect. If you guys want to learn how to make them, the tutorial link on how to make acrylic cones is given in the description box below.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Now to finish it with few stones and stickers. And there's our mixed media canvas all done. Hope you guys liked it and tutorial was helpful. If you guys have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks again. See you for the next video. Until then, happy crafting.